Hey, Hoffman Files here. We are at a local spot on the Skillet Handle doing a quick hike with my mom and Rebecca. This is here in Klamath Falls, Oregon. I hope you have the passion of adventure to come check this one out. This one is outside of Klamath Falls a little ways, and it skirts around the Klamath Lake. So I implore you guys to come out here and check this one out. Check this out.
You did. Fayetteville Museum is fascinating.
Yeah.
A lot of really good artifacts in there, dioramas, and a lot of education just walking through that museum. Good artists in there too.
So as you guys come out this trail, you'll have little turnoffs, and I suggest following those little turnoffs out. Right now we're at one called Boulder Point, and it overlooks the southern Klamath Lake.
I think it transferred to me because it just landed on me and blew away. It was actually another ladybug.
Oh yeah, I can see these ladybugs flying through the air. They're huge.
I mean, I assume that's what they are. I know that they're sometimes insects can look alike, but they're different.
Cool, Boulder Point. Whoa, watch out, Kula.
Oh man, this is great. And also their baby backpacks. They would shape and form them. And then of course with rabbit skins and real soft pelts, they could make some really comfortable possessions that would make their life very livable here.
We're on sacred ground.
We are on sacred ground. We really are. I would think there'd be a marker. So I'm thinking maybe the marker for people.
Whoa.